Hey guys, this is Jason Animus here at Village Fitness to help you in your decline push-ups. What we're going to do is go over a few tips, tricks, 3 to be specific, that will help you be successful in your decline push-ups and get the most out of this exercise. We have Tracy here, my good friend. He's going to demonstrate the good and the bad. Okay, starting out, we're going to go over the bad. Okay, bad is foot placement. First off, you have a bar. What you want to do is hook with your toe. We don't want them standing on top. We don't want to be on our ankles. Tracy's going to demonstrate bad form with a toe on top. As you can see, he has no root control and he's liable to slip. Okay, go on your ankle. As you can see, this is also a bad placement because you're going to cause a lot of pain on your ankle. So show proper form. As you see now, he's on his toes. He's hooking, gives you more control. Okay? Now you're going to have to move your weights around. But second tip, you can see his core is tight. Bad form would be arching. Go ahead and arch. As you see, he's arching. Terrible form. That's going to change the position in which you are engaging your chest. Okay, go back to good form. Okay, also, when starting off, you're going to want to elevate yourself. As you can see, he's on a nice solid platform. Okay? That way you can go deeper and it will allow you to keep your neck in a neutral position. So go down. As you can see, he's still keeping his neck in a neutral position. Go way up. Now, what we're going to do is take the weights away so you can see exactly what is bad positioning. As you can see, I remove the platforms. So now when he goes down, go down, he has to bring his neck up. And there's a lot of times with people that are doing some new push-ups, it's a reflex because they're afraid of hitting their head. So to relieve that strain of hurting yourself, we have a platform of weights. Good placement is key here. If you're too close, you're going to go forward. You're going to fall on your face. Too far away, you're not engaging properly, and you're actually engaging your lats more. So go ahead and go down. Up, down, up, full extension. All the way down, all the way up. Okay, relax. Good foundation. If you do not have good foundation, you're going to fall. Now, if you're trying to increase your stability, you can go with a smaller weight. It's going to cause a little more instability, increasing those little tendons, little muscles in your arms. Now, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Peace.